Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing the best gold napkin ring set of 50, perfect for adding a touch of elegance and sparkle to any dining experience. This set includes 48 beautifully designed napkin rings crafted from quality metal with shiny rhinestone double-leaf accents. The gold plating on each ring adds a luxurious gloss that catches the light brilliantly, making your table setting truly stand out. Each napkin ring measures about 1.7 inches in diameter, which is ideal for holding linen napkins securely and elegantly. The sturdy yet lightweight construction ensures these rings are durable enough for frequent use but delicate enough to complement any table decor without overwhelming it. The metal leaves with rhinestone detailing provide a glamorous, sophisticated look that fits perfectly with weddings, holiday dinners, formal parties, or casual gatherings. What sets this set apart is not only its glittering appearance but also its versatility. Whether you're hosting a Christmas dinner, Thanksgiving feast, New Year's celebration, or a wedding banquet, these napkin rings bring a graceful and stylish touch that enhances the overall dining atmosphere. The classic leaf design combines with sparkling rhinestones to create a refined aesthetic that works well with a wide range of themes and colors. Installation is simple. Just slip a folded linen napkin through the ring to instantly upgrade your table presentation. Their size and design mean they complement both modern and traditional place settings, making them a great investment for anyone who loves entertaining. Plus, the set of 48 pieces gives you plenty of napkin rings to accommodate large parties or events. In terms of quality, the rings are made from reliable metal materials and faux rhinestones that shine bright without losing their sparkle over time. The gold finish maintains its glossy look even after multiple uses, making them a durable and cost-effective addition to your tableware collection. If you're looking to elevate your dinner table with an affordable yet luxurious accessory, this Hotop gold napkin ring set is a fantastic choice. It combines beauty, durability, and functionality, making your gatherings memorable and stylish. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.